Hello guys, today's video on top most expensive diamond in the world. So let's get started. The ancient Romans and Greeks believed that diamonds were tears cried by the gods or splinters from falling stars, and Romans believed that Cupid's arrow were tipped with diamonds. Perhaps the earliest association between diamonds and romantic love. Diamonds are made of a single element. They are nearly 100% carbon under the immense heat and pressure far below the Earth's surface. Diamonds occur in a variety of colors such as gray, white, yellow, orange, red, green, pink to purple, brown, blue, and black. One of the most remarkable things about diamonds is that they exist in nearly every shade of the rainbow. While colored diamonds are an unusual natural occurrence as a whole, the rarest of them all are red. The Mosaif Red, top most expensive diamond in the world, is the Mosaif Red, discovered in Brazil in the mid 90s. Purchased and cut by the William Goldberg Diamond Corporation. Then, in the early 2000s, it was purchased by the Israeli-born jewelry dealer Shlomo Mosaif. It formerly known as the Red Shield or Deep Red. It weighed an impressive 13.9 carats, that is 5.11 carats. The sources noted that it is likely the stone was formed in the mining area's alluvial deposits. The Cape Town Diamond Museum noted that red diamonds are expected to become even more difficult to come by in the future. As a result, expert predicts they will cost double what they do now within just few years. It worth an estimated 7 or 8 million dollars. Eliza Mosaif, the queen of diamonds and the wife of Shlomo Mosaif. The heart of eternity. Blue diamonds account for less than 1% of all fancy colored diamonds mined. The South African Premier Diamonds Mine created the fancy vivid blue heart of eternity. This stunning heart shape was cut from a 777 carat rough diamond is extremely rare due to its lack of grey or black understone. The Steinmetz Group was the original owner of the Heart of Eternity, but De Beers purchased it in 2000. According to rumors, boxer Floyd Mayweather bought the diamond for his then fiancée Chantal Jackson in 2012. De Beers, on the other hand, has not verified this. Its estimated cost is $16 million. The perfect pink. This fancy intense pink is a 14.23 carat emerald cut diamond. It is a rarest diamond by its size and intensity of pink. It has a clarity grade of very slightly included to VVS2 due to slight internal blemish, which is found in the perfect pink in 2010. Christie sold the perfect pink to unknown bidder. It cost $23.2 million. The Wittelsbach diamond. Until 2010, it was 35.56 carat. After that, it was recut to 31.06 carat. The fancy deep blue internally flawless diamond has belonged to Spanish and German royalty since it arrived in Europe in the 1600th century. The Wittelsbach diamond made history, having been passed from one European member of royalty to another. Its estimated cost is $23.4 million. Winston Blue. This diamond, originally called the Fancy Vivid Blue Diamond, then it was renamed the Winston Blue after Harry Winston, purchased in 2014, weighing in at 13.22 carat. It is the largest diamond of its kind said to be graded by the GIA. This pear-shaped, internally flawless diamond cost almost $2 million per carat when it is sold in 2014, setting a new world record for the price per carat of a blue diamond. estimated cost is $23.8 million. Pink Star. In 1999, it was founded in South Africa's mine. Formerly, it was known as the Steenmetz Pink. It is the largest diamond to have been graded a fancy, vivid pink. Chow Tai Fook Enterprises Hong Kong bought the Pink Star from Sotheby's auction in 2017 in a telephone bid. It is a oval-shaped diamond weighing a huge 59.60 carat. Its estimated cost is $71.2 million. The Centenary Diamond. It weighed over 500 carat. It was later cut to a modified heart shape weighing 273.85 carat. It took a total of 154 days for their highly skilled team to finish the recutting process. It becomes flawless. Its estimated cost is $100 million. The Hope Diamond. From the home of Hope to Kohinoor, Golconda was the diamond capital of rare and precious diamond. This diamond discovered in India in 1600. The Hope diamond was bought by King Louis XIV in 1668. This 45.52 carat fancy dark greyish blue antique cushion cut diamond was later stolen during a crown jewel looting in 1791 but resurfaced in London in 1839. In 1949, Harry Winston purchased this diamond and donated to its Smithsonian Institution, attracting many tourists. The stone is rumored to be cursed due to the misfortune and tragedy that many of its previous owners experienced. Diamond worth an estimated $200 to $250 million. The Cullinan Diamond. The Cullinan is the largest rough diamond of gem quality ever found, weighing an incredible 3,106.75 carat. Discovered in Cullinan, South Africa in 1905, it was then gifted to King Edward VII. Also known as the Star of Africa, was cut into 9 main stones, the largest of which is the 530.2 carat Cullinan 1. Estimated cost $2 billion. The Kohinoor. The most expensive diamond in the world is legendary Kohinoor, weighing at a massive 105.6 carat, is in oval shaped. The stone is believed to have been mined in India in the 1300s. It is owned by the Queen Elizabeth. Britain acquired the stone in 1850 and in 1852, Prince Albert had it cut from 186 carat to 105.6 carat to increase its brilliance and sparkle. The colorless oval cut diamond is also known as Mountain of Light and Diamond of Babar. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.